Hi, Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet here with another top bookkeeping tip. Now, a lot of people with the cloud accounting software are becoming very self-reliant on bank feeds. And I have seen the opinion that if you are using Sage Business Cloud or Xero and you've got bank feeds set up, then the accounting software basically does everything for you and you don't need to worry about it. Well, I'm here to tell you that bank feeds are not infallible. Bank feed can be a fantastic data entry tool to speed things up, but I see so many people not understanding how to use it and just merrily ticking on those lovely green ticks or creating bank payments and bank receipts willy-nilly and getting everything wrong. So here's a couple of top tips to help you with getting things right with your bank feeds. So this goes both for Sage 50 Business Cloud and for Xero. I'm just diverting a little bit. Somebody's walking towards me and I don't want my dog to be disturbed. So, when you are doing your data entry into your account software, if you are using HubDoc or Auto Entry or something like that to put invoices in, and then you are paying the invoices, when you're in the bank feed, make sure that you use Match and you don't use Create. Because when you see the bank feed, the money coming in, you need to tell the software which invoice that is paying. So you need to match it. You need to look out for things where you may have entered it in a penny wrong. You don't get the nice green tick, but it might be in there. It might be on a wrong date. It might be 2 or 3 invoices paying invoices all being paid on one payment. So you need to be using your match option and you need to be looking at what you've entered already. You only need to use the create or enter a new transaction from the bank feed if you have not already put the invoice into the invoicing area. And then you can very quickly enter things like bank charges, maybe insurance direct debits and things like that. I might not put the invoice in, but I will enter them directly from the bank feed. When you have managed to match everything on your bank feed and the software gives you that big green tick and says, it's great, you've done everything. At that point then, what you need to do is check in your software that the statement balance that you've imported from the bank actually matches the statement in the bank. Because you will often find that there's little blips in the bank feed and it might have missed some entries in there. Or you will also find that you might have entered a invoice and marked it as paid, but then the payment actually hasn't gone through the bank and you've got something sitting in your account software that has never actually gone through the bank. If this is all a bit gobbledygook for you and you would like to actually go through it with me in person with your own accounts, then that might be ideal for one of my hand-holding sessions to go through the bank feed with you, help you to how to spot mistakes, how to fix them, and how to get it all neat and tidy and correct. So bank feeds can be a brilliant tool for helping data entry and for speeding things up, but you still need to use caution and you need to check things after you've entered it all. So this is Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet. I am the Singing Sage Lady. I can offer you great bookkeeping tips and handholding. Look for the Silicon Bullet YouTube channel. Look for my Bookkeeping Basics podcast on any podcast platform. And go to siliconbullet.com, find my blog and subscribe to my blog to get other great hints and tips. See you soon. Bye.